Hey guys, it's me again. And I am gonna make this harder and harder every single time I post a video. I'm gonna make a different game. Okay, let's see. Bramble testing. Hell no. Chainsaw, kill someone later. Ooh, that kind of sounds good. Let's play it.
Okay, now once you sign in.
Okay, so we are going to see. Hey, you! Oh my god, that's so funny. The way how it just boom when we just started playing. Dodge! Haha, I have a knife. Can't block. What? Bro. Okay, let's just turn this down. This is too loud. Okay, we're gonna place a trap for him. Fresh start. Oh, this is my Goku leader. Oh, this game is fun. Oh my god! Bro, my head is decapitated. My head is decapitated. Let's play like this. Like my head is like almost decapitated. And you, I'm gonna kill you. Wow. Bro, what? Can block. Step here. Let's see. Oh, he's gonna step. He stepped it. What the frick? Shane. Who's Shane? Oh. No. I don't think I want to fight him. Is that Jesus? Oh my god.
Yeah.
So that is so creepy and crazy. Okay. Under the floor?
I've done that.
Let's just respawn.
I don't know what to do.
Because I respawned. Wow. Okay, let's see. Okay, where's back to place? Here.
Yeah, I'm finding a background.
I'm gonna be playing like this. It's gonna be creepy, and he's getting that dumb guy who literally has that knife. It's gonna be there. There it is. And I can't run anymore. Oh my god. He's just so creepy. Okay. Make sure. What the hell is that? He's after me. He's after me. Come after me. Wow, we can only block for
Hold on, I have somebody unmuted.
I know, everybody's scared it out. It's cause bro. You're not coming for me, right? Because I'm cool. Oh, what the? Let's fight! Bruh.
Okay.
That wasn't even fair.
And now everybody's also done except you.
For the first time right now.
Okay, now let's try one more time.
Scratch.
Calculator, thank you. What?
Hipsa, when
What?
I ask,
Yes.
I want you to listen to what I'm saying. It's
Why?
very important. When you are learning online, and if you're not
Okay, and why? What will I do? Nothing. I'll just run away from it. Ha ha ha. Okay, now why do you want me to come there, you?
Dyson, you're in the correct spot. You're answering questions.
No, you were not
Okay.
sure with something.
No.
Everyone, at least 10 times, and you didn't raise your
He's
hand
so
even once.
creepy. I don't even see a fly.
You missed out on doing what everyone else was doing.
What was that?
And everybody else is almost done now.
Mean.
So, Hipsa, we need to make sure you're doing a digital response.
Hey, I'm creeped out.
What were you doing this entire time?
This is scaring me. I will trap her now. I'll put it right here so I can see it.
You were fine. So did you finish your word?
Blood moon.
Did you make a copy of this one?
Ah!
So then you have the copy, right?
Cook to me. Where is it? Where is the trap?
So
Right
listen,
here.
my friend. We went through all these slides together. You have to click the yellow link at the top.
Bro, I don't even want to put it that far. I'm so freaked out.
Okay, just keep showing your screen.
Bro, are you talking to me? I'm talking to myself because I'm gonna die. Ah, what the- Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna get nightmares.
I'm going to put you in another friend.
Okay, I'm scared now. Okay, chain, yay. Everyone kill, slash him, slash. Yes, we killed Chain, everyone. We killed Chain. Okay, let's see where's Chain again.
I want you to
We got awarded. Okay, Chain is defeated. Yay.
You know,
Okay, I guess that's all for today.
Hipsa needs some help.
What?
On Scratch. Would you be able to help her?
I need to go defeat Chain again.
Okay.
Hey guys,
Why can't
I'm
you?
leaving. I'm done. Yeah. Comment down below. I am done now. Goodbye, guys. I'll never post another one. I'll never post one game that I'm playing this game ever again. And I end up playing it again.
Okay.
So I'm never playing it again. Goodbye.
You guys can continue